Welcome to 17167 Simpson Cir, where location meets pure potential in the heart of Paeonian Springs. This rare as is offering sits in one of Loudoun County's most coveted enclaves, surrounded by luxury estates, rolling countryside, top-rated schools, and multi-million-dollar comps. Whether you're a developer, investor, or buyer with vision, this property delivers the kind of opportunity that's almost impossible to find in today's market. The home itself is well cared for but ready for transformation. With no HOA, expansive usable land, and flexible spaces, including a separate studio apartment with its own electric meter, an upstairs suite with kitchenette, an unfinished basement, a detached workshop with electricity and air conditioner, plus 2 additional sheds, one with a garage-style door, the possibilities are endless. Update, expand, or reimagine the footprint entirely, this address supports it. Recent updates include a 2021 composite shingle roof and a whole house generator serviced in 2024, whole house tankless water heater 2025. The property is sold strictly as is, giving developers and renovators the freedom to design without limits. Area perks: minutes to Leesburg, Hamilton, and Purcellville, quick access to VA7 and Route 9, close to award-winning wineries, farm markets, hiking, dining, and everything Western Loudoun is famous for. Top-tier Loudoun County schools and a peaceful, estate-style setting complete the package. This is your chance to secure a prime Paeonian Springs address with upside that's becoming increasingly